first thing you need to do to be able to use Slack is to download it on all your devices. So I'm going to use Slack on my MacBook Pro and on my iPhone. So first off, on my MacBook Pro, I'm going to go to slack.com and then click on products. And then I'm going to scroll all the way down until I see this See All Apps. And if you click on that, we'll go to this page. And here you have all the apps. It has an app for your Mac, for your Windows, for your Linux, and also for your iPhone, iOS, and Android and Windows Phone. So you can just click here and it's going to take you to the App Store. And this is going to be open. This is the App Store. And what you need to do now is to click open. And this will download. It will actually say download and then open. And this will download the Slack app to your MacBook or to your Mac computer. And I'm going to move over to the Slack. I already installed it. And once you install that, this is going to open and you're going to have this window, which we are going to fully cover in the next video.